Good morning, legends and lunatics. Yes, it's me again, Vickky, with 2 Ks, one for chaos, one for caffeine withdrawal. And lucky you, I'm your delightful little guide this fine morning, wandering aimlessly around this floating metal coffin of regret they call a ferry. I mean, prison ship. Same thing. Ooh, look, a shop. Stuffed toys, so many it looks like a plushie apocalypse happened in aisle 3. I swear there are more fake pandas in there than actual food upstairs in the cafeteria, which is honestly a public service. I've seen the buffet up close and personal, and let's just say, if you're into packets of dried noodles and mystery trays of hot brown squishy stuff, you're in luck. 2 or 3 sad-looking dishes slapped onto a plate, hardly enough to choose from, hardly encouraging for a 3-day voyage. Good thing our meals are actually included and served in the dining room. Otherwise, I'd be trading socks for snacks by now. So hey, if I'm craving fibre, I'll chew a plushie, it's probably safer. Anyway, it's stupidly early, post-breakfast blues have kicked in, I'm restless, dangerous and slightly over-caffeinated. Time to explore and hopefully, please dear universe, stumble into something mildly illegal or at least medically questionable. Ooh, here we go. A delightfully ominous corridor. Let's head down there, shall we? Maybe I'll get mugged. Or haunted. Either way, breakfast was boring and I need to feel alive. Oh ho ho, what's this? A lurker and an accomplice. Barry's got competition. Into the belly of the beast we go. Yum. Finger food. I mean literally. That girl's gnawing like she thinks she's in a zombie movie. Oh yeah! Update on Barry. He got dragged back to the cabin like a sack of regret. Last seen snuggled into the carpet, purring like a tranquilised alley cat. Bless him. Ooh, open doorway. Gimme danger, gimme doom, gimme... Whoa! What in the dystopian Pinterest board is this? Welcome to... the sleep cubicles. Rows and rows of metal bunks. Double stacked. Quad locked. Like IKEA and a prison architect had a love child and named it Regret. And there's even little divider boards between beds. Chic. If by chic you mean mandatory isolation, brought to you by the Ministry of Sadness. This whole vibe is screaming, welcome to your assigned resting slot, citizen number 8675309. It's like the camp from hell, if hell came with curtains and fluorescent lighting. And the creepiest part is quiet. Like, unnaturally quiet. No karaoke, no screaming children, no bass that makes your kidneys vibrate. This is a Filipino ferry. There should be chaos, dancing, and someone belting out Kenny Rogers, as if the volume alone would stop the apocalypse. But no, just silence. I swear if the intercom clicks on and says, "This is your captain speaking, all passengers have now been assimilated," I am throwing myself overboard. I don't trust this, I don't like it, we're moving. Now. And listen up, crew, as we wander the mystery halls of the SS Existential Dread. Do not touch anything. Unless it looks like coffee, then absolutely don't touch it. That stuff could strip paint. Alrighty. Looks like we're back on our level. Home sweet floating cell block. Our room should be somewhere down this eerie little hallway of deja vu. Wait, hold up. Look at this. All the rooms are empty. What the actual maritime mystery is going on here? They're the exact same layout as ours. Yeah, that room we had to wrestle a demon in the booking office to secure. The one with the micro mattresses and freezing cryogenic aircon. And yet, here they are. Lots of them. Just sitting here, vacant, silent, judging. I'm counting at least 10, maybe more. And no, we haven't docked. We're still bobbing around the ocean like a confused bath toy. So either no one was ever in these rooms, or someone got off without waiting for the boat to dock. Bold move. Or ghost move, maybe the rooms are just being cleaned. Maybe the cleaning staff vanished. Maybe these cabins are a dimensional rift to the snack aisle in hell. Or maybe they're haunted. Yep. Nope. Bye. That's it. I'm out. Not sticking around for whatever twist ending this ship has planned. I'm gonna go check if Barry's still alive, or at least breathing. If he's not, I'm claiming his snacks. See you next time, fellow weirdos. And remember, if something looks haunted, don't open the door unless it's labelled coffee. Then definitely open it, but slowly. Thanks for watching. Vickky out.